Handyman, the most beautiful and powerful Flutter solution to launch your on-demand service platform faster and cost-effectively. And this ready-to-use solution consists of all the resources that you need to launch your platform. And today, we will take a walkthrough of one of this app, which is the User app. So let's start. So first, when you come to dashboard, you will see this preview where you have some of the pictures on the top which will show the visual, and then next is the category where you will find different categories. When you click on view all, you will get all the categories, and in that you will find the specific service of that category if you click on it. Let's go back to our dashboard, and next is the feature list where you will see the featured services from the provider, and when you click on it you will get the information about the services like the description or the provider description, the pricing and the reviews that the other users have provided, and many more things in it. And then on the top corner you will get the favorite button. If you are using the service consistently, you can just make it your favorite, and which will be very helpful for you. Now I will go back to the dashboard and click on view all, and it will show all the featured services of this provider. Then the next is the services, which will show all the services that is available for the users. So you can just scroll down and see the service. And also you have the search button where you will search for the specific thing and just click on it. And beside the search option you have the filter button where if you go in it you will have some option to filter your choice. So you can choose the provider, then you have category, which category you want to search, then you also have the pricing bar where you can select your pricing, and the system will filter out the service for you. And that's how you can find the service. So now let's get back to the dashboard, and going on the top you can see that we have one more option which is about the location. So if you select on it and select the location of yours, you will get the services around your location. So which service is around or nearby your home, so you can just directly ask for that service. You can turn it on and off according to your choice. So on the right hand side top you can see that we have the notification panel. So when you click on it, it will show you whole list of the notification that has arrived on this application. So if you click on one of them, you can see the details of the notification of whatever it is. Like this one is for the cancellation, and I'm going back, and when you click on the next one you can see that there is one more notification, and in that you can also see the book history where the service is reached or it's completed or whatever is done with the service. Now in the dashboard again, when you go down at the end you will see this button where you can just add the new job request. So if the service you want is not available in the list, you can just click on it and you can request a new job for yourself. So I'm just clicking on it, so you will get some predefined list of it. So when you go in that option, at the below part you can see there is one button to request the job. So when you click on it, it will take you to this page where you can give the job title, job description, price, and below that you can add the service that you want for yourself. So right now I have this service, so I will add that. You can add whichever service you want, and then we will save the service. And going back, if you click on any of the service, you can see that on the below side you have this option where is a bidder list. So when you request a new job, all the provider will see this service in their system, and they can just bid for that service at whichever price they are comfortable with. So if you have estimated the $200 price, they can give the service at 180 or 150 or whichever price they are comfortable with, and then from this list you can select the bidder or the provider that you want, which you find genuine, and just select that for your service. So right now I will just go back to my dashboard, and our dashboard overview is completed. Now the next option beside the dashboard is our booking. So when you click on the booking, it will show the whole list of the booking that you have done with this app, where you can find all the bookings. If you scroll down you will see all the history of your bookings, and on top you can see we have this filter option where you can select if you want to see the pending bookings. So if you click that, it will show all that bookings, and then you can also see the completed, and there are many more options. So when you click on completed booking, it will show the list. So if you click on any of the booking, it will show you the detailed information about that booking, like the time and date, then the provider, then the handyman information, then if there is any extra charge with the booking, and your price and the payment information. So on the top you can see that we have options to check the status of the booking, how it was done, the history of the booking. Then you can also chat with the handyman. So if you click on it, it will take you to that panel. So in Handyman we have the option to chat with the user or with the handyman so they can communicate properly. And then there is also an option to rate that handyman. So when you click on it, you can just rate the handyman, and if you click on the profile, it will show the detailed information about that handyman, their reviews and their information. And if you click on this service, it will show the detail about your service. And if you go down in the completed booking, it will have the option to rate that particular booking. So you can do that too. And we also have a request invoice button. So if you click on it, you can just enter your email ID and your invoice will be mailed to you. So these are the options that you will get in the booking for the user app. Now the next option is category, where you will find all the categories directly from here. And if you click on any particular, you will find the services that are available in that category. And other things are the same. You can search for the particular service or filter out your option. And the next option after the category is chat, where you can chat with our handymans. If you have booked any services, you can easily communicate with the handyman. So there is a chat option. So when you click on this, you will see the whole list of the chats that you have done with anyone on the service. And if you click on any of it, you will see the chat in it. And then this is how you can chat with your handyman and make your communication easy. And then the next option that is on the app is our profile, where you will get all the settings and profile information. So firstly, if you click on your profile page, you will have the option to change your username, that is the first name, last name, your username, or any of your personal detail, your address, or all of that. And then the first option, that is your favorite service. So if you have added any service to your favorite section, you will see the list here. And if you click on that service, you will see the detailed information regarding that service. Now going back to our profile page, then the next option is the favorite provider. So you can also add provider in your favorite list if you are consistently asking for their service. So if you have added any of it, you will see them in your list. So if you click on any of the provider, you will find the detail regarding them and all the services that they are providing. And if you click on view all, you will see all the services that is provided, and then also the detail regarding the service. And you can just filter out that service also from here. Now going back to our profile page, the next option is the change password. You can just change the password of your app, which is the user app, if you want. Then the next option is the blog, where you can find different blogs available on this app that will be uploaded by the admin on this app. You can just click on any of them and read the blogs if you like them, and you can also see any of the blog which is uploaded. Then there is a rate us option, where you can rate our application, which will take you to the Google Play option, where you can rate the service. Then the next option is your privacy policy. The privacy policy will be set by the admin, and then there are terms and conditions which you can read, and there are some other options like help support, helpline number, purchase code, and then the next is danger zone, where you have the option to delete your account. If you want to remove account from the system, you can just delete that account. And then we have the logout option, where if you click on it, you will have the option to log out from this particular profile. And on the top right corner, there is a system setting button. If you click on it, then there are some settings that are available, where you can choose the app language. You can change it to, there are some options, you can change it to whichever you find it. Like I'm doing it in Hindi, and I will just take it back to the English. And this is the app theme, where you can select light, dark, or a system default mode for your app. And there are many more options which you can customize according to your preference. And this was the walkthrough of our user app, and these were all the options that you get from the user app, and that's how a user can use this app to book the service very easily. And now is the perfect time to start your on-demand home service platform with Handyman.